Hi, this is Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to take a closer look at our March 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. The theme is Hooray! Here's our postcard for the month. As always, you can use this on a card or a project. It just makes a really cute card front. On the back of the postcard, it's going to tell you the theme and what's included in the kit. You can see the beautiful color palette, as well as where to find us on Facebook, where you can join in our fun group where we share lots of inspiration using our kits. Let's start with the cardstock. We've got these really pretty springy colors this month. We've got our 210-pound ice rink white cardstock. We have this really pretty glitter paper in this pretty purple color. We've got a teal, a light gray, a light green, yellow, and lavender. Some really nice colors for spring. And as always, you're going to get our handy dandy 8.5 by 11 zippered mesh project bag. These are perfect for keeping all your items stored together or for crafting on the go. You can just grab your project and go. We've got our 1-inch flare button, and it's got a little gift on it. Yours might be a different color. I make them in different colors so that it's fun to see what you get. We've got an exclusive sequin mix with the beautiful colors of the kit. These are confetti type sequins, and they're really pretty and iridescent and sparkly, and they're lots of fun to add to your cards. We've got some beautiful glitter enamel dots. Oh my goodness, the colors match the kit perfectly, and you'll just love the sparkle and shine that these add to your cards. And look at this light gray one here. Really pretty. You can add that to anything. You're going to get a full 6x6 paper pad. That's 24 sheets of two-sided paper, and you've got 24 patterns here. So you're going to get 2 sheets of each because they're double-sided. So let's go through these patterns. We've got a really pretty purple polka dot. Oh, look at the icons there. That gives you a little hint, a little sneak peek of the stamp set coming up. Oh, look at that bold yellow and teal polka dot. Oh, look at that fun dotted pattern. We've got a light green diagonal. Here's those gifts. Oh, that's cute. We've got a purple diagonal stripe. Look at that gorgeous plaid. Oh my, I love plaids. And we have a teal diagonal stripe. We've got some more icons in the stripe pattern here. You've got little strips of icons. That's really fun to create with. We've got a yellow dotted pattern. A fun diagonal stripe. We have a teal polka dot. Let's flip this one over. There's the pattern on the other side. Oh, isn't that pretty? We've got a gray tone dot pattern. There's a nice grid. A green. Here's that pattern from before, but the colors are different. That's really pretty. It reminds me of Easter. We've got a gray polka dot. Let me flip that over. We've got some really pretty feathers. Here's a yellow pattern. It's a fun stripe. Purple dotted pattern. Oh, and look at the fun ice creams. Oh, they're so cute. I can't wait to start making some cards with these. Here's our 6x6 exclusive stamp set. So we've got some really fun icons. We have a pretty cake, a hot air balloon in the shape of a heart. We've got an ice cream. We have a bicycle, a feather, and this gift here. So lots of usable icons throughout the year, and they've got some fun sentiments to go along with them. You are a gift to me. You're on a roll. The sky is the limit. Treat yourself. It's a good day to eat cake. It's your time to fly, and hooray. So you could use those sentiments along with the icons. And these are really simple but yet cute icons that are easy to color, or you could emboss them with embossing powder and not have to color them at all. There's some different things you can do with those. We have coordinating dies for you in the kit. And along with the coordinating dies, we're giving you this word hooray. So that's a lot of fun. And it has a shadow feature that you can use with or without the word hooray. You're gonna get a 6x6 stencil. And I've put it against a darker cardstock here so that you can see the pattern of the stencil. It's really pretty, kind of diagonal, lacy type design. And last but not least, we've got a 6x6 embossing folder for you. This one is called Confetti, and it just is gonna emboss this pattern of confetti. It'll be really fun to create with. So I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at our March 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. You can head over to pinkandmain.com and grab one for yourself while we still have some left. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.